Hello everyone, my name is Dhanush and I am from the YouTube channel Srinivas All-in-One. Today I am going to be reviewing the A&T ESPORTS MK1300 mini keyboard. It's a 60% keyboard. Let's talk about the price now. It currently costs 1850 rupees on Amazon. The price will always be fluctuating and it can change, it can increase or it can decrease. I will be providing the links to buy this keyboard in the description. So now let's talk about the best thing about this keyboard, the removable Type-C cable. The keyboard can be detached whenever you want. If you lose this Type-C cable that was provided by the company, you can always use another Type-C cable that's been lying around your house. It has successfully connected. Now I'll start typing for proof. As you can see, it successfully works, even with another third-party cable. This keyboard is the 60% keyboard. Unlike other keyboards which have a dedicated num keypad, etc., it has them all here. If you want to use something like F11, I'll show you how you can use. In this keyboard, if you want to use any of these F keys, you have to press on the function button and then click on the button you want to use. In my case, it's F11. As you can see, it full screen the tab. This is a mechanical keyboard, unlike many other keyboards of its price range. This comes with Otemu red switches. Otemu blue switches make a lot of noise, unlike Otemu red switches. Now let's do a sound test. So let's get to the conclusion. This keyboard is perfect for gamers and people with a low budget looking to buy for mechanical keyboards. I would totally recommend buying this. Thank you for watching.